These wellness rewards are available to insureds that satisfy certain wellness qualification criteria. The qualification criteria is that the client needs to get a routine physical every 2 years, and they need to maintain their weight within a weight range that is established at the time of policy issue. These rewards are discounts on the client's cost of insurance, which can then be used to decrease their no-lapse guarantee premium or increase the cash values within their policy. Here's some examples of those benefits the client receives from the Mayo Clinic. You'll have the Embody Health newsletter there, their website, the Ask Mayo Clinic nurse hotline. The great thing about the quarterly newsletter is these newsletters come pre-printed with your name and contact information on them, co-branded with the Mayo Clinic and Aviva. And those are sent to your client 4 times a year. Just another great touch point you're going to have with your client when you sell the Wellness for Life rider. And we are able to illustrate the effects of the Wellness for Life rider and what the effects will have on our clients' policies. We guarantee a 25 basis points cost of insurance reduction for our clients on the non-guaranteed side of an illustration. And we illustrate a 50 basis points cost of insurance reduction on the non-guaranteed side when we're illustrating it. These discounts, you might think, well, these are pretty small, 25 basis points and 50 basis points for level 1 and level 2. But these are actually then multiplied by the client's policy year. So whatever policy year they're in is then multiplied by that discount, which will then give them their total discount on the policy for that year. We've actually declared even higher discounts now. Aviva has declared the first wellness rewards. We have a level 1 discount currently being set at 50 basis points and a level 2 discount of a full 100 basis points is what our current cost of insurance reductions are. Real quickly, we're going to do a case study and so I can show you the effects that the Wellness for Life rider can have on an illustration. Here I have a male. He's 40 years old, standard non-tobacco rating. And he's looking for $250,000 in guaranteed life insurance. Based off that information, the best product that we can utilize at Aviva is going to be our Advantage Builder Series 2, coupled with the No Lapse Guarantee rider and the Wellness for Life rider. Now what I'm going to do is just run an illustration using our Advantage Builder Series 2. In order to guarantee that $250,000 in death benefit, our client would need to pay $960 a year. If he lives to the ripe old age of 121, he would have paid in a total premium outlay of $87,360 in order to guarantee that $250,000 in death benefit. But since I've added on the Wellness for Life rider, I can show him a supplemental report of how the Wellness for Life rider can make his premium actually go down. That's what we're looking at on this screen. I've kind of blown the report up for you. To the far left, we have the policy year. To the right of that is our client's age. Down the middle is our gross annual premium outlay. This is the exact same premium you saw on the illustration. To the right of that, we have our wellness reward amount. These are dollar amounts. There's no rewards in the first 2 years, but it does start in the 3rd year. So we got $1, $2, $3, $4, so on and so forth. To the far right of that, we are netting that reward against the gross annual premium outlay, so we can show our client that premium actually going down. We continue on as our client gets older. By the time our client reaches age 81, he no longer has to pay any no-lapse guarantee premium for that same $250,000 in guaranteed death benefit. If we look at the total premium outlay with the Wellness for Life rider, $39,940. We have saved him $47,000 in premium compared to the normal illustration simply by adding on the Wellness for Life rider. The great thing is the Wellness for Life rider, the cost of it to add it on to the policy is a $100 charge that comes out of the policy in the first year only, and that charge is guaranteed. And I can tell you no other company in the industry can offer you and your clients, number one, a very competitive no-lapse guarantee premium product, but can also offer them that same product with the ability to decrease that premium with the utilization of the Wellness for Life rider. We've also created a pretty slick brochure to illustrate that concept we just discussed to your clients. We've come up with a little slogan, good drivers save on car insurance. Why shouldn't achieving a healthy lifestyle help you save on life insurance in the future? Well, here at Aviva, we believe it should. And this brochure just really illustrates how the Wellness for Life Fighter can help your clients reduce their no-lapse guarantee life insurance premiums. Another great thing about working with Aviva is our competitive underwriting. We have, didn't mean to go forward there, we have a table reduction program where any policy issued with Aviva, if your client has a table rating of a Table 1, Table 2, Table 3, they will automatically be issued at a standard rating when writing a single life insurance policy with Aviva. 10 most frequent or common health histories that you'll find that will get your client to Table 1, Table 2, or Table 3 rating: diabetes, their build, asthma, arterial fibrillation, Crohn's disease, hypertension, anxiety, sleep apnea, ulcerative colitis, and arthritis are the top 10 most commonly common reasons why an individual would get it: Table 1, Table 2, Table 3. So if you have a client with any of these conditions and you write a policy with Aviva, we can get them at a standard rating. And you don't have to do anything. If a policy comes in like that, Aviva will automatically make them a standard rating. How the table reduction program works: we do have some case eligibility. It is a substandard case through Table 3, as we mentioned, that will be issued as standard. Maximum issue age of 70. Maximum face amount of $10 million per life. Our product eligibility: all individual life permanent plans, including our no-lapse guarantee products. It is not available with term or our single premium life products. You can utilize it, though, on our second to die policy, our joint life policy. One life would be eligible for reduction. In that situation, the other life must be at least a standard rating. Internal term conversions will also work if within 3 years of issuance of the term policy. Here we're going to take a look at an example. Utilizing our Advantage Builder no-lapse guarantee, we have a female age 65. She's a standard rating, and she has a $2 million guaranteed death benefit. If she was a Table 3, her no-lapse guarantee premium would be $56,148. But since we wrote the policy with Aviva, we reduced that to a standard rating of $40,137. That is a 28% reduction in premium cost by the utilization of Aviva's table reduction program. We have increased our retention limits this year. Our maximum retention limit on fully underwritten permanent life insurance products has been increased now to $10 million. That is more than double the previous limit of $3.5 million. Our maximum auto bind limit for most issue age increased from $40 million to $50 million. Below is a summary of the retention limits, our auto bind limits and jumbo limits for standard through Table 4. Really want to focus in on there the 10 to 75 range, the bulk of our clients. $10 million retention, $50 million auto bind, $65 million jumbo. So we do have the strength and financial backing and ratings to handle those large cases. You have a dedicated underwriting team. For quick quotes, you can send quick quotes into quick.quotes@avivausa.com. Give us a shot at your large cases, specifically any up to $10 million of death benefit. We also have a fantastic advanced markets team here at Aviva to assist you on those advanced cases. We have a total of 9 professionals available for your complex cases. I can tell you, most of these individuals are lawyers. Most of them have more letters after their names than they do in their actual names. Highly trained individuals. 5 in-house advanced case attorneys on staff. Turnkey programs, including premium financing and policy rescue programs. Specializing in non-qualified deferred comp, split dollar, estate planning, charitable giving, as well as buy-sell agreements. Another great competitive advantage when working with Aviva is our external term conversion program. We have over 70 approved companies for term conversion program. So if you have a client with a term product with a different company that is on our list, you can take that term product and convert it to any permanent plan at Aviva. Conversion must occur within 36 months of the term policy issue date. Minimum face amount is $100,000 with a maximum of $1 million. Minimum issue age 18, maximum to 65. This is available on all Aviva's permanent life insurance policies. Guarantee issue at standard or better rates. We also offer lifetime rolling target premiums available on all permanent policies, including our second to die survivorship policy. What lifetime rolling targets are, it's any premium paid up to the first year target, provide first year commissions regardless of when that premium is paid. Do take note that option is not available in the state of New York. That kind of gives a broad overview of Aviva's competitive advantage and our products. I know we covered a lot of information in 30-minute time frame there, but I wanted to make sure we covered everything. Before we open it up for questions, though, we're going to go to just a few brief sales ideas utilizing some of Aviva's products. So sales idea number one. This is going to be for a defined benefit for business owners using a non-qualified plan. This type of scenario will work our target audience, business owners, age 30 up to age 50. If they have a desire, the business owner would like to establish a potential $75,000 annual defined benefit retirement plan to the age of 90. He is able and willing to set aside $2,000 per month to meet this objective. The initial application would indicate the insured is a standard risk. However, the agent feels this could come back possibly with a rating, maybe Table 1, Table 2, or Table 3. For our example, we're going to have a 42-year-old male business owner. We're going to utilize our Lifetime Builder Series 2. So let's look at the illustration. We're utilizing our Lifetime Builder Series 2 for a 42-year-old. I'm putting in $2,000 a month. I'm solving for the minimum death benefit of, it comes out to $587,000. He's going to pay that $2,000 a month into the policy, equaling $24,000 a year. He's going to do that out to the age of 65, where he's going to stop paying that premium. At that point, we're then going to start taking a variable loan out of the policy on an annual basis. That's the $75,000 a year coming out of the policy to supplement his retirement income. And we're going to stop that at age 90. The sizzle on this, if you look at this section right here, our client paid in a total amount of premium of $552,000 into the policy. But by the utilization of an index universal life policy, pulling variable loans out, he was able to pull out $1.8 million tax-free via variable loans, and still at that time have a death benefit remaining of $4.2 million that will pass on to his beneficiaries tax-free. And you can utilize this in really any scenario, whether it's a business client or not. If you have just an individual looking for a plan to supplement their retirement income, this plan, or our Lifetime Builder Series 2, will work quite well for them. Sales idea number two. Here we have a term to 100 and beyond idea. Our target audience, anyone who has an interest in having their life insurance policy guarantee the death benefit for life at a very competitive premium, ages 25 to 75. Desire, purchase a $250,000 life insurance policy at a very competitive premium and contractually guarantee the death benefit for life. They might be willing to quick pay the policy if it makes sense. In our example, we have a 45-year-old male, preferred class, $250,000 death benefit, family of 4. Product choice is going to be our Advantage Builder Series 2 with our no lapse guarantee. So our illustration, we've got our 45-year-old male, preferred non-tobacco. He's looking for a term product, but we're going to show him how a permanent product can meet those needs as well. Utilizing our Advantage Builder Series 2, $250,000 death benefit. His premium would come out to $2,352 a year in order to guarantee that death benefit. But we're only paying it for 20 years to the age of 65. So theoretically, in his mind, a 20-year term product. Well, we can then have that $250,000 death benefit guaranteed for the rest of our client's life. He will no longer have to pay any premium past that 20-year point. Even though the cash values in the policy get to zero, we are still able to guarantee that $250,000 guaranteed death benefit.